All right, hello, and welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining. My name is Mochkai, and we're going to be doing another iteration of creating together. We're back here with our robot. Today we're going to be doing some texturing, and hopefully, if we have some time, we can start working on the rig, so we can begin animating our nice looking robot here. Cool. Let's enable our viewport again. I have removed the, not removed, but I hidden the reference because we don't need it anymore. The robot is basically completed. So now, how do we want to do this? First things first, we want to start, well, one place at a time, right? So the first thing I need to do is unwrap all of these things. I already have a color palette I want to use, so we are going to go into texture mode, UV editing, perhaps. Okay. I do want to bring this all the way back. How do I do UV unwrap? Was it in texture paint mode? No. Vertex edit mode. I completely forgot how do you do unwrapping, UV unwrapping in Blender. Hold on. So let's go to our good friend Google. All right. So we take it from here. Okay. Blender UV unwrapping. Okay. I agree. UV mapping. Simple explained. I accept. Okay, I just want to. What is the Shift A mesh UV sphere? That's fine. Mark scene. Oh, okay. Control E, mark scene. Accidentally mark the wrong seam. You can clear the seam and then set to clear seam. Yeah. Unwrapping the object. So in UV editing, on the top bar, 3D viewport, 3D view. Okay. Like the whole object, then press U to unwrap the object. Okay, that's kind of what I wanted. So let's, oh, there you go. My entire UV is here. So first thing I want to do is actually add an image. So let's open an image we already have. If we go to our images here, we can see we have our color palette already here. It's a very, very tiny palette, but that's because I kind of want to, let's go into edge mode. Oh, by the way, why is the N? No, Control N. Nope. Alt N. Nope. Shift N. Shift C. No. Trying to. Nope. I'm trying to remember how do we enable the key views. Okay. Let's see here. Where's the preferences? There we go. So we have the screencast keys. Enable startup. Date. Oh, never mind. That's not what I wanted. How do I show screencast keys again? Oh, panel location. 3D view. There you go. It's right here. Cool. Okay, so wait, it is enabled. So, oh, there you go. It's right here. Okay. All right. So what were we doing? Let's select all of these. And I actually want to scale them down to 0. So it's just a dot. And hold on. Why is my color palette looking like that? And then let's move them to the place I want, which is the white. Wait. Let's move them to blue. Why can't I see it? Oh, maybe because I don't have any materials applied. I probably have to apply a new material that actually contains the color palette that I added. So review, that's fine. How do I add the material in here? Okay, base color. It's going to be a image texture. There you go. I'm going to open our image texture from our source color palette. Okay. Good. That should do. Yes. But why is this color palette showing up like this though? Let me check on Finder here. My projects, about source color palette. Oof. So small. Maybe I made it too small when I exported. Hold on. And it messed up the actual colors. Open with preview. So let's zoom. Yeah, the colors messed up when I made it smaller. Okay. Let me try this again then. Because that's definitely not the colors I was going for. We are going to... Okay. Oh, that's not the one either. Hold on. File. Open. projects. Hold on. Meter. Okay. If I'm actually let me bring it over. Something else I'm working in. So maybe I can duplicate, copy, paste. Okay. The other one. Where's the one? Okay. I'm actually looking into a different screen right now. So this is the color palette we have. These are actually 10 by 10. So I'm going to group them and reduce their size to 2 by 16. Oops. Okay. Let's ungroup first. Then we group. Then reduce the size to 2 by 16. Okay. Now we can reduce the size of our color palette. 2 by 16 as well. And now we can export. And it should work as we expect it to. Okay. So this is the color palette for now. File, export. Yeah, that's the resolution I want. Export. I do want to save it on top of this one. This one. Save. Replace. Yes. Now, if we go here and we reload the color palette. Actually, let's reload it in here. Image texture. I don't know how to easily reload it though. Open image. Now I want to put this image here as well. Okay, this is still not what I was looking for though. Why is it doing this? I need to keep the color palette big. Let's export this one then. File, export. Yeah, let's do this. I don't want transparency, that's fine. Format PNG. You know what, let's do JPEG. Doesn't really matter. Export. Color palette. .jpeg. Okay. Now let's open the color palette JPEG. Open. Let's put it here as well. Oof, it's huge. Let's zoom out. Yeah, this is not what I wanted though. Can we do in let's export in PNG again. File export PNG. No rescaling, no transparency, that's fine. Export, color palette, PNG, save, replace. Okay. Now we reload color palette PNG. Open image. Okay. And we put this one in here as well. Okay. Now we can, okay, now it's looking a little bit more like what I was expecting it to. So we can then take our, there you go, I can pretty much switch the colors like this. Okay. Fine. This one doesn't have a lot to it. So let's paint it white. Actually, this one's not white. I want it to be light gray, so move it over here. Now, if we do this one, we enter in, we apply the same material, and use the same material for everyone. No, I don't want to apply a new material. It's the same material. Okay. Everyone is going to have the same material. There you go. I had to apply it one by one. Apply the same material to all objects in scene Blender. There you go. Okay. Okay, so if I select all, Control L, link materials, there you go. Cool. Now we can start actually working on some of this stuff. So these one are the easiest ones, so we can start by these. With these, hold on, I want to go into edit mode, select all of the vertices, make it, scale it down to actually all the edges. So I select all the edges, okay, and scale it down to 0. And then we can move it over, wait, where is it? Oh, why is it all the way up there? Move it down, then scale down to 0, scale to 0, enter, then move it over to this one. Same thing for these guys. The eyes on this one though are a little bit different. Oh, actually, never mind. I do have some differences in this one. So the top section here is actually just like my logo. So I should be able to move this over here. Okay. Now, same thing goes for these ones. We can start by, okay, let's do in edit mode, yes. I want to take these and these. Actually, you know what? Let's first scale everyone down. Scale to 0. Okay. Then we're going to take these and these, and then move them over to the white. Then we're going to take these and this, and move them over to, wait. I don't know why I didn't select. Move them over to the blue. Cool. Starting to shape up nice already. We're going to take the visor now. Actually, let's take these, because, oh, these are the same object. didn't want this to be the same object though. I want them to be separate objects. Or do I? The head, do I want them to be separate objects? I'm not sure. No, let's I know the hands have to be different objects, but these, oh no, not. I'm gonna keep them as the same object. So okay. Now, do I want them to be on the same thing? So let's them no. Scale, enter, then move. What color do I want for these? Do I want them to be white? Do I want to be... Maybe I can make them... Ooh, I can see the color, material, texture. There you go. It was a little better to visualize the texture though. Okay, so I put them as gray, right? I'm mistaken. Okay, okay. I want to put them as white though. Or maybe I can do these two loops. Hold on. This loop. Oh, come on. This loop. They're just messing with me. Let's take everything. And then let's say that these in here. These. There you go. Here, here, and here. Okay. So these are going to be why can't I see the selection here? Okay. I do think I need to unlink though. How do I break? I think it was E? Yes. I want to move them here. So, but it's not applying, is it? Material is correct. By the way, can I rename this? Let's call it main palette. Okay. Now, why did this guy A? So if I move this guy around, it's taking all of them. Okay, no. How do I relate the left side to the right side? So I want to take these and move them down here. Okay. Oh, yeah. Let's just do this, and okay. Now we can move these over here. Let's do the same over here. Okay. Then we can do this one as well. Oh, hold on. That. This one. Oh, nope. How do I select the entire loop though. Oh, there you go. Then I can start by selecting these. Might be easier. Okay. Now these, we're going to move them over here on the white section. Cool. Now we're going to take all of them, these ones here. I'm going to scale them down to 0 because I want them to be together. And now we're going to go out of this mode. I want to see exactly how it's looking. It doesn't look like anything happened at all. Oh, so that's this. Yeah. Okay, we'll apply the white over here and continue our texturing. By the way, this is the simplest mode of texturing possible. There are probably other ways to I mean, you could just unwrap this and actually do some actual texturing, but this is a simple way of keeping the texture clean. Okay. Although it does rely on your mesh aligning with your texture, so yeah. Okay, let's take this loop here. Oops, this loop here, this loop here, and this loop here. Hold on. Z. Oh, geez. This loop here. This loop. Wait. Nope. This loop here. Loop here, here, and here. Okay. All of these are going to be scaled down to 0. And then we're going to move them over to the white. Okay. Now, wait, but the white is actually a lot more white than... I'll go back to that one in a bit. Now we're going to take these ones. Hold on. These ones. There you go. Oh. This one's all the way here. And from here to here. Okay. These, we're going to also make them scale down. Scale down to 0. Then we're going to move them over to the black. Cool. Oh, it's looking a lot better already. But I don't like the fact that the ears... Oh no, they are white. Okay, you can actually see them now. Okay. It's looking good. Nice. Okay. Let's do the antenna now. So the antenna, we are going to start by, well, let's go into edit mode. Ooh, I haven't applied the antenna. Okay, that's fine. Let's go to here, the mirror, let's apply. That's about it. By the way, do I have faces underneath the antenna? I don't. Okay, good. All right, let's enter edit mode. First thing I want to do is select these two edges here. These two are going to be definitely, hold on, ask A, S, and 0. Okay, and then we can move them over to the white section. Okay, now we're going to take, looking in the front view, we're going to take these here. We're going to scale them down to 0. Oh, hold on. Scale them down to 0. And then move them over to black. Okay. Actually, I think the cable is going to be black as well. The entire antenna section. So, yeah. all the way to the top here is going to be black. So this one as well. Actually, let's do the entire thing again. Select all, scale down to 0. So they are just a dot. Then we can move them to black. Okay. Now, what I want to do is, again, let's look on the front view. We're going to take all of these, and these are going to go on the gray. One last thing I want to do is I want to have this one in here on the top. I'm actually going to have two different colors for these. These ones are going to be light blue. Oh, actually, I think I messed up the ice. I'll go back to that. The color is actually this blue. And then we can hold on. This, and this. It's going to be black. Cool. All right. Now, for this, both of these, let's enter in edit mode. Let's get all of them who are connected to, hold on. Am I in face selection mode? Okay. Deselect that one. Select these, select these. Okay. Now all of these are going to go all the way up. This blue and to this blue. Okay. Now this is the blue from the logo. Okay. Ooh. Now we can exit, and it's looking good. Nice. Now let's go to the body. Body section is going to be, I think, oh, hold on. This one here, the neck. But let's take all of these, because all of them are going to have the same sort of, okay, let's just select them all, S0, enter. Then let's just move them all together to black. There we go. Wait. Where are these ones? Here in the... Hold on, is this material not applied correctly here? Let's go back out. It does have a material, right? Main palette, okay. Okay. So where is G0? Where's the texture for this one? So if I click on any other material, go into edit mode, press A, then A here. Yeah, if I go to edit mode, it goes there. This one, for some reason, go into edit mode, press A, from here, press A, then it's not showing me anything at all. It's almost as if it's not unwrapped. So let's get out of this mode. Let's press U. Nope. Then let's say A, U, unwrap. There you go, right here. I don't know why that happened, but that's how you fix it. So let's make this 0. Then let's move it over to this guy. Okay. Nice. Yes. Now for the body section. Move this down a little bit. Let's select this guy. Not. Let's select this guy. This guy. Hold on. This guy. This guy. And this guy. Yeah. All three of these are going to be fully blue. So let's do that now. Let's see if we go into edit mode, select A here, scale to 0, enter, then move all of them to blue. What if we do unwrap again, real quick? Okay. Now we do scale 0, enter, move to blue. There you go. All three of them are blue. Okay. Seems good. Now the chest area. Let's select it all. All of it. Let's first make it very small. Then we can move it to the white. White's going to be the main one. Not sure if that's what I want. No, yeah, I want it to be white. And then we're going to have here, we're going to have a loop. No, here. And, oops. And here, we're going to have a loop. These two loops are going to be gray. Then we have these faces here, which are going to be black. There we go. Nice. Maybe I should have a darker gray for the robot, though. For some areas of the robot, maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. Although I do want to make... You know what? Let's make the loops... Is this a loop? Yes. There's a way to enter isolation mode. I think it's H. It's H. No, H. Control H. Nope. Command H. Alt H. Control H. Nope. Command H. Command Shift H. I think it's Shift H. Yes. Okay. Now we can go back into this mode and select these. Hold on. These. Jesus. This, this, and this. Okay. Make sure that these are on the grayscale. And then we take these faces here, these here. Make sure we move them to black. Okay. Nice. Now we can Control H. No. Just H. Command H. Shift H. I don't know. I just did it though. How do you undo hiding everything? Oh, I need to... There you go. We do want to hide the reference image again. Okay. Starting to look good. This guy and this guy are going to be fully colored gray. So we can just do that now. Let's take all of them. This is already unwrapped. I think it is. Okay, scale down to 0, then move them over to gray. There you go. Simple and easy, nice and easy. Oh, actually, hide, no, shift hide, no, alt hide. Then this one and this one, shift hide, there you go. Now we can enter this mode and then take this and this to be black. Okay, nice. Cool. Yeah, I think I might want to make a darker gray for the button areas. Need to think about that. Not already thought. So let's make a darker gray. Let's take this gray here, put it over down here, and then let's make it. You know what? I think I like to do it in the hexadecimals because I have more control over it. So 999, 999. Yeah, something like this actually. Okay, let's save this. And let's export. Nope, I didn't want to duplicate. I just want to export the color palette in PNG. Let's export it over here. Save, replace, and there we go. Now, let me reload the images. Reload image texture blender. UV editor embedded, Alt R without changing into the UV. Okay, Alt R. Alt R. There you go. Now I want to select all, take these guys and move them over to here. Okay. Now we exit this mode and then we unhide everything. And nice. I actually want to do this with these ears as well. I kind of want to take the ears, go into edit mode, select all. Actually, select all. And we take these and move them over to a darker version. Okay. Yeah, it's looking better actually. Like that a little bit better. And the same goes for here actually. I think I kind of want to make the base dark and not lighter. So let's do that. Enter edit mode, select everything. What is A here goes into, what is white goes in here. And that's about it. Then we can exit edit mode. Yeah, I think I like that better. Okay. It's looking good, it's looking good. Okay. Let's do the arms now. For the arms, maybe you can do the both arms at the same time. They are somewhat similar. Let's enter in edit mode. Start by selecting the entire arm, both cases, select all. Most of the arm is going to be white anyway, so let's do this. Let's move it to white. Then what we have here is this 6 vertices, edges I mean. Oops. This one. Oh, come on. These. Then we want to expand one. And then move them over to this color. Okay. Now we can exit this mode. And that's our buttons area. Cool. Starting to look good. And I want to do a toon shader. I want to make something different with the palm of the hand. I mean, it could look good if we had like a darker, the gray instead of the white, the palm. I don't know. No, let's leave it white for now. Or do I want to make just the hand white and the rest gray? I wonder. No, let's leave it like this for now. What? I'm not liking the fact that this is white, but the head is actually. Yeah, let's make the head white as well, actually. Select all and move it over to white. Then, yeah, I actually think this looks better. Oh, okay. Maybe we can have the inner rims of the visor be light gray. That could look cool. Yeah, it's barely noticeable. It's fine. Cool. Now this guy here is going to be mostly white. G S. Oh, hold on. Yeah, it doesn't matter. S0 G over here. Okay. You want to make anything different with this guy? Maybe have these faces here a little bit darker, like this. Maybe even these as well. Have them darker. Okay. Ooh. Nice, nice, nice. Now for the feet, we're going to be doing something similar. Actually, let's isolate them so I can look at them properly. Let's enter in edit mode, select all of them, select all, 0, and then move them over to white. That's the main color. We are going to be selecting these faces and these faces and make them into a grayish color. These ones at the bottom. Yeah, let's take these and these. Expand one and let's make them. These ones though, I think I want to make them sort of darker. Yeah, I think it looked better. Okay. Alt G. Did not Alt H. Nice. I like that. Okay, now for the last portion of the feet. It's going to be same thing. Let's hide everything else. Oops. Hide everything else. Let's go into edit mode, select everything for the feet. Scale it down to 0 and move it over to white. And then for the bottom, oops, here, Okay. Oh, you know what? I think it's better if I do this, this, and start expanding. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted. Then move this over to black. Nice. I like that. And then unhide everything. Unhide everything. There you go. Ooh. Oh, our bot is looking good. So let's go to the main chest area here. Deselect this. Select all. Oh, not all. Just the bot. There you go. Okay. Have a pretty decent looking bot. I do want to move this a tiny bit forward, though. So let's move parents only. G, X, no, Y. A little bit more like this. Then we can move this, and then do G, Y again. Move this entire thing a little bit back to, G, Y, 0. Enter. Okay. Yeah, I think it looks better this way. All right, all right. Should we start working on a cartoonish shader for this guy? Or should we just, yeah, let's get into the rigging a little bit. So we're 1 hour in. Yeah, let's do a little bit of rigging. Okay, nice. Oh, it's pretty decent looking. Okay, so let's, for the rig, let's go back into modeling. Still see the texture, that's looking better. We do want to add a armature. Nope, I don't want to start from scratch. There is a plugin. I forgot the name though, so we might have to look through it. Meta? Nope. Arma? No. Rig? Rigify. Yeah, I think this is the plugin. Rigify. Automatic rigging, big building blocks. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is pretty much the plugin we need. If we go to add now, we should have a few more. Yeah, meta rig. This is the one we want. So it basically adds this rig, this guy to the meta rig. Oof, it's quite small though. Scale it up a little bit so it gets closer to the size of our character over here. We don't want to see through though. A little bit. I actually need a little bit more of see-through. Almost 100%. Okay. Let's look in the front view. Scale it down a little bit. Okay. Now, let's lock my character. Hold on. Oh, how do I lock the entire thing? There you go. Let's stop everything from interacting. Now we need to start messing with the rig positions, right? So let's see. First thing I want to do is mirror them on the x-axis. So let's move. Does it move? No. I want to scale this bone. Hold on. No, I think, yes, there you go. I can move this bone all the way here. Oh, hold on. Yeah, the only option I have is the x-axis. That's fine. Yeah, move this bone all the way over here. Then we're going to take this bone, move it all the way here. This bone should come somewhat here. These bones can come over here. Okay. Now I do want to rotate the hand a little bit. Maybe move it up. Somewhat around here. Okay. For the leg section, we're going to move it to side. I'm going to take this guy, move it up a little bit. This guy, move it up around here. The hips are actually all the way down here. Same goes for this. So I need to move this entire section here for the hips. Oh, probably move it on the Z axis though. Somewhere around here. This one can come somewhere around here. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this one in here just in case. We might allow a little bit of bend on the robot structure here. I don't know. We'll figure that out. Now, we do have a ton of bones in the face that we don't need, right? So I do want to pretty much remove all of the face rig. We even have ears here, okay? Okay, yeah, I do need to move this on the y-axis all the way back. Oh, yeah, the y-axis is messy. Okay, so let's move this back. This one goes all the way back here. One goes, hold on. This is the heel. I think this is the heel. This is the tip of the bone. So this should go somewhere around here, I suppose. I don't know. Yeah, I think something like this. Now let's look again on our X view. Let's take this. This should be right about here. This one should here and here. One should be over here. Okay, this entire section here. This is the chest area, right? So the y-axis, I mean. Okay. Let's move these bones here. This and this back on the y-axis. To around here. Then we can take these two. Hold on. These two over here. Move them also on the y-axis, all the way around here. Yeah, I'll fix the hand in a bit. The neck could be all the way back, out here. Okay, that's not the neck actually. Yeah, let's move it here. Then let's move this guy a little bit down. Then these bones can move back. So move them back a bit. Okay. This is the neck bone. So we can take this bone. What am I selecting? Oh, it's that one. Okay, yeah. This is a neck bone. I can move it down to a little bit back, maybe a little bit down here. Maybe we can rotate it on this axis so it's straight. Okay. Same goes for this one. Let's rotate on the axis. Move it back. Okay, now for these bones here. These are spine. What is this? I think this is actually an extra bone. So let's delete it. Let's move this entire bone up on the z-axis only. Yeah. Let's move this up again on the z-axis. GZ all the way here. And then for the antenna, we are going to take this on the shift x-axis. Okay. Bring it around here. Then we're going to extrude this bone so we can have this. And then, oh, hold on. Let's look in a single view. Go over to the bone location. The position on the x-axis should be 0. Should be 0. Okay. Okay, now I want to look in the Y and then extrude the bone to about here. Then extrude the bone again all the way up. Okay. Just so we can have a little bit of a wiggle room for that. Now, for our hands, let's look on the top view. Let's save this for now. On the top view, we're going to come over here. This is the main hand bone. If I move a finger, yeah, it moves without the rest of the fingers. Okay, so let's take all of these and these. Let's move it over to the position where the finger should be. So these guys, this, and this, they can move over here. Let's put them roughly on the position they will be at the end. We can adjust, fine tune later. Okay. This I think is a little bit further here. This one's here. Okay. Same thing goes for these. So the hand start here in the back, goes all the way here, the finger. That's where the fingers actually start. Nope, it's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to do this. Okay, now we have a finger that comes all the way around here, if I'm not mistaken. The one here, and then the tip of the finger goes here. I think these are the three. Okay, let's start with the tip. Tip, midpoint, midsection here, and then finally the base of the finger. And this guy can meet this guy, and these can go in here. Okay, same thing. This one goes all the way to the tip. One goes all the way here. This one goes all the way here. Here. This one goes around here. Then we can move this bone over here. And then maybe bring this closer to the center of the hand here. Same thing, this bone will go somewhere around here. You can take the tip, bring the tip all the way over there. Another tip around here. The other tip goes here. And this base goes around here. Maybe we can use this better. Okay. Then this matches this guy. And this one matches the rest of the hand to right about here. Okay. I think this is the rough hand shape that I want. So I just realized that I don't want this guy to be this close to the hand. So let's move this one back. This is where the wrist kind of happens. And this is the palm. Okay, so this is the palm bone. It also interacts with these bones. Okay. Ooh. Now we actually need to put this inside of the fingers, right? So this one can come over here. One can come over here. This one can come over here. This one can come all the way on the tip. Hold on. It does need to follow a certain shape though. You know what? We can move probably all of these at once. Up. Somewhere around here. And maybe all of these as well. Somewhere around here. Yeah. I don't want to see the wireframe. There you go. So this one goes around here. Yep. This one goes about here. This one goes to about here. Here. One goes a little bit mid. Okay. Looking good. This one goes all the way here. Yeah, this one I think it's almost correct. Here. And then a little bit down. So let's save because we've been doing a lot of changes. Here. The base is actually pretty good. Maybe we can bring the base up a little bit, somewhere around here, which means this guy can also come up. Okay. Same goes for this one. Go up and up. I do think I want to bring this part up a little as well. Yes. By the way, I'm doing this because the closer to the positions in the mesh that I have, the easier will be to both animate and well, both animate and I want to bring this one a little bit down. Yeah, animate and well, put on the weights that I have. Okay. This one should definitely go a lot higher. Same with this. Now, this is quite off actually. Oh, this one's a little bit off as well. So let's bring this one back. This one goes here. This one goes around here. The other one goes around here. Okay. This one here and this one here. Cool. Okay. Let's take this, bring it up a little bit. Take this, bring it up a little bit. Yeah, I think it's smack dab in the middle of the finger. That's what I want. So do I want these to come up actually? Maybe I do. Maybe I do need them to come all the way up here. Then maybe make this come down. So it relates more to the palm. Yeah. Maybe I can make this guy come out. This. Yeah. And maybe can come a little bit out. Out. But I think these can be a little bit to the side. Looking from the top view here. This. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's looking better now. Okay. I think we have our hand. I think we have pretty much most of our rig done. So we're going to save this. Now back in object mode. I need to remember now how to use Rigify though. So I think, and I also never used it. Yeah, I never used it. In multiple objects, so I might be, let's see. Oh, I need to be able to select now, again, my Mochkai bot. So if I select my meta rig, I don't quite remember. Let's take a look here. Blender using Rigify. Okay, Rigify, Blender manual, modular rigging, non-disruptive re-rigging. Add armature, okay. Basic human, edit button positions, okay. Limbs, human alignment tips, okay. Close mode matching basics. Physic. Okay. You know what? I do want to apply the rest pose though. So let's do that. Let's go in pose mode and say, what was it? Apply. Use apply. Okay, Shift A, Control A. Apply pose as rest pose. Yes. I want this to be rest pose. Good. Go back into object mode now. Okay, I think I got most of the bones correctly. Generating the rig. Okay. With the bones in the correct position, jump back to object mode, go to the armature tab and scroll down to the bottom and click on generate button to finalize the recreation. The generation process would take a few seconds, that's fine. A few seconds to 1 minute depending on the rig complexity and hardware specs of your machine. If generated rig needs tweaking, you can modify the meta rig accordingly and click again on the generate button. If the rig already exists, Rigify will simply overwrite it, retaining all your modifiers constraints where possible, all previously generated features. That's pretty good. Okay, then we have the binding geometry to the rig. So first things first, we're going to go to the armature tab and generate rig. Ooh. What? Spine 4. Spine 1, 2, 3, and 4. What do you mean by that? Did I break something I shouldn't have? Bone cannot connect chain. Let's see. Rigify bone cannot connect to chain. Okay. Set cursor. Okay, cursor to selected. Oh, I see. Hold on. So spine 4. What happened is I accidentally disconnected them. So let's prevent myself from. Okay, so let's take this one. Shift S. Selection. To active? No. Hold on. Shift A. Cursor to selection. No, actually, Shift A, cursor to selection. Shift A, selection to cursor. Okay. I don't think I need these bones though. Yeah, this is for breasts. I don't have breasts. Let's delete them. These are shoulders. Yes, I do have shoulders. Getting the shoulders closer in. Maybe I do actually. Move them a little bit on the Z-axis. There we go. The Y-axis, I mean. Cool. Can I generate the rig now? Oh, we did. Wait. Why is my rig all the way down there? I shouldn't have scaled it, maybe? Apply. Hold on. Apply all transforms. What if I generate the rig now? Okay, yes, that's the issue. Cool. Now we have a rig, right? Yes, this is the rig. I like the rig. Looks nice. Let's see if everything on the rig is functioning as expected. Hold on. Let's go into pose mode. We can move this guy around. Yep. If we rotate... Wait, hold on. Okay. So if I rotate this, okay, yes, I'm opening and closing the hand. So if I rotate all the way to close, I see. Okay, maybe the rig is not as good as I thought it would look. Let's rotate all of these. Rotate. Okay, no, I have to rotate one at a time. I want to do that. Yeah. Nope, that's not how it works. How does it work though? Nope. I move this. I'm kind of curious about these two as well. Okay, this is to expand the hand on that axis. What is this? This moves the hand as a whole. Okay. If I rotate this one. Okay. So if I take this guy and move it around, no, move it. No. Okay. I suppose I don't know how to use this. First kinematics. Okay, hold on. If I move this guy down, the hands won't move. Hands are stuck in place. Okay, if I want to move this with the hands, I need to move all of these. Is that correct? Yeah. Okay, let's see if we can apply the rig real quick. Okay. All right. Okay, let's apply the rig. All deforming bones, diameter layer on diameter layer 30. Eyes and teeth bones are not deforming. Okay. Usually armature deform with automatic weights do a really good job out of the box if you correctly place your bones. There's enough topology to work with. Okay. For more detailed armature layers, okay. So if we go back into the armature layer, how do I see the layers though? Okay, this is the meta rig. So what? Let's hide this for now. Let's take all of these bones and let's select our Mochkai bot here. So if we select them, oh, never mind. We select all of the bones. Then we select my bot. Can I select the bot? Oh, it's still in edit mode. Okay. Object mode. There you go. This one. Okay. This one with all of the other ones. Yep, this one. Hold on. Okay. I can change selection, less selection, like that. Okay, cool. What if I apply okay, if I select everything now and do Okay, armature deform with automatic weights. Will this work though? Okay. We'll know when we start working with the rig, right? So if you go now to pose mode, and we start fingers detail. Oh. Okay, if we start moving the root, nothing is happening. Pose, root, torso. Did I apply the wrong thing? Check something here. Put the meta rig, and I don't know. Going to pose mode, take this guy and rotate it. Oh, it is working. Okay, so the bone is there. Yeah, this one moves all. Yeah. Okay. So now, why did the rig not work? Oh. I don't know what I did here. Edit mode, pose mode. Object mode. Have this meta rig and have yeah, something messed up big time there. Let's see if we can go back to before I messed up. Okay. And that's a no. Can I undeform? Go back into object mode. Armature. If I delete the armature, it's going to delete everything, right? If I deleted the meta rig, oh, actually, what if I cut, hold on, copy, and paste the rig. Then I can delete the meta rig. I don't know. Then all the cube and everything are just out there. Empty. An empty void, I suppose. Oh, I've been messing this up quite a bit now. I don't remember the last time I saved, if it had a good position. Yeah. Maybe we can actually try and look into a quick video how to use Rigify. I agree, that's all fine. Yeah, but he's already painting. He's not showing from. Okay, yeah. Starts the armature over there, and goes all the way to the point where it matches. Okay. Yeah, I did pretty much all of that. Okay. Maybe I deleted things I shouldn't have. I'm not sure. I mean, we can start over with the armature. Okay, this is the part that I messed up. Wait, you deleted the Rigify? Oh. Oh, I think he pressed Control Z, Control Z. Oh, he did delete the meta rig. Oh. Okay. I see exactly what I did wrong there. You know what? Let's reopen our Mochkai bot. We don't want to save. Yes. We were in a good place. Thankfully. So let's just readjust these rigs over here. So we can have this guy. This can actually go a little bit more in here. Yeah, that one is fine. These can higher. Okay. side like this. You know what? Let's see if we can show all of the okay, the move. All right, I think this will make our life a tad bit easier. This axis, okay. Now we can bring this guy a little bit up, this guy a little bit up as well, back. Okay, yeah, this guy definitely needs to come up a little bit. One as well. Okay. Yeah, let's bring both of these up the back a little bit. Same here. Up to the back. Okay, one thing I'm not sure about is, do I need to hold on. This guy, cursor to selection, selection to cursor, to selection, selection to cursor, cursor to selection, and this guy. Okay. Then we have this guy with selection, selection to cursor. There you go. Okay. Just to make sure they're very well aligned. This one can come a little bit back as well. Cool. Now, we don't need a chest bones. I don't think we do. We do have down there these. I don't know what these are exactly. Maybe these are the heels. I should have paid more attention to it, right? So yeah, maybe these are the heel bones. Do I scale them? Make them easier to see. Move on the axis. There you go. I don't know. I think this is what they are. Okay. These ones here though, not sure if they should actually this can come all the way up, even a little bit further apart. This bone base can actually up. Oh, maybe not that much. This one can come a little side, come a little bit forward as well. Okay. Now this, hold on. Cursor to selected. Now selection to cursor. There we go. Yeah. Oh, hold on. This guy should be on the 0 point on the X. There we go. Okay. This one can come a little bit back. Yeah, this is the one that broke. Right. Maybe this one can come a little bit forward. Again, shoulders can come a little forward. I don't know if these need to be closely attached there. So let's do that thing where we put selection and selection to cursor. Okay. Maybe these can come a little bit far out. And okay, align here. Cool. Now, we want to have the neck. I can come up. And then we're going to have this guy attach to that guy. So we want to do cursor to selected, then selection to cursor. Okay. Maybe we can put this guy a little bit further. All right. Okay, so this is the armature. Let's save. This is our meta rig. What we're going to do now is generate. We can come out of this. Oh, actually, before that, we do need to apply all transforms. So let's do that. Now, and I want to set this as the pose mode. Pose. I want to set it as the base pose, right? Apply selected. Apply pose as rest pose. There you go. Okay. Now we can finally generate our rig. Okay, let's save. Let's generate our rig on the armature thingy here. Generate rig. Okay, now that we have our rig, we can pretty much select everything. Okay, nope. We don't want to select the meta rig. Let's hide it actually. We do want to select the Mochkai guy. Okay. And now we want to armature the form with automatic weights. Okay. Now, if we go out of this mode, let's do well, let's actually turn X-ray off. We do want to make sure that the rig is always visible. There's a visibility option. Some properties. No. Okay, let's render. This is dimension. Nope. All right. Yeah, there's a way to display the visibility. Viewport display in front. There you go. So we can always see the rig, right? It's a little bit offset though, it seems. What if I take my character, not the rig, move it a tiny bit back? This. Okay. Now, what if I enter in pose mode and start messing with the rig? Okay, things are happening. This is funny. What is this? So, okay. Okay. If I rotate this instead, not bad. What about the fingers? These guys, if I rotate them, I have to rotate the ones in the middle here. Yeah, I would have to fully adjust the weights. Yeah, but I think we're getting there. So yeah, I think we're going to be ending this in this point. We still need to adjust the weights. I'm not sure if the bone positions were correct, so we might have to redo the rig. So I'm not going to save just yet. Let me open this one. Don't save. We'll go back into this mode and we'll end it with this view here. Okay. So yeah, thank you very much everyone who joined. This was a very interesting session. Next session we are definitely going to be doing some proper rigging with the weights and everything that we can, and then we will actually start making some poses. And after that, I want to bring this guy over to Unity. That's our plan. So once we bring this guy over to Unity, we're basically going to be doing some cool stuff with it. So again, thank you so much for joining. I appreciate the follows. I appreciate everyone who's been there. Make sure you follow if you like the stream, so you can catch the next updates. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram as well, so you're always up to date with when the streams are going to happen. And yeah, see you guys next time. Thank you very much.